Welcome to EATLAB channel. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process. £215, 218 pounds, 220 pounds, target reached. $95 air, 145 air, 210 air, 245 air,
760 millimeter garbs, 400 millimeter harbs, 120 millimeter harbs. Vacuum achieved.
Section 1, 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Section 2, 68 Give. Section 3, 60 T5.
Batch 4782 SEM-MFG 0203 2026 CES Best Buy 0203 027.
Our automated flap closing system ensures each box is securely sealed before moving to the taping station.
Okay, that placement looks good. Barcode is clear.
Make sure this pallet is perfectly aligned with the floor guides before starting the robot. Check for any damage. This automated system ensures each pallet is wrapped securely and efficiently, preparing it for shipment.
A little more to your left. Got it.
Pallet number 47. Location, aisle 4, rack B, level 3. Status, stored.
Diameter 0.96 inches, thickness 0.42 inches, within spec. Surface smooth glossy, color vibrant uniform, clarity excellent. Now we are ready to test the pH and moisture content. Quality Assurance Report, Batch 4782. All tests pass. Approved for distribution.
Layer 1, 10, layer 2, 10, layer 3, 10, layer 4, 10, layer 5, 10, layer 6, 10, layer 7, 10, layer 8, 10. Total 80 boxes, verified. Just a little more to your left. Perfect.
Seal number 456789.
Houston TX, ETA 16 hours.
Đưa đuôi xì mờ pre con đơn tư ban xì bằng đình đạt. Trang nghiên thiện sật thiện thờ mệt biên sát và. Răng cả một chẳng thăm răng càng can tra.
This one really pops. Let's test this design with consumers.
We take sustainability seriously here. Our goal is to minimize waste and maximize recycling efforts throughout our production process. Remember, always check your surroundings before operating the forklift. Any questions on PPE?
Looks like everything matches up. Go ahead and unload.
Kapni sigir skikrik mento guptesan tinchik aboning isenihe. Jiske sigir chahat rinchel rekan se section take nahi rahi hai.
Everything seems to be in order here. Your sanitation, record keeping, and employee training are excellent.
That's wonderful to hear. We strive for full compliance.
Line pressure 90 psi. Operating normally.
So, what are your plans for the weekend?
I'm thinking of going hiking.
Good morning. Please sign in here.
Thank you.
You'll need this temporary badge. Miss Evans will escort you.
Ready to go?
Sugar, 4,200 pounds. Corn syrup, 18 drums. Flavoring, 42 bottles. Color, 35 bottles.
Yes, we can ship 500 boxes of Rainbow Hard Candy to your Cincinnati warehouse by Friday. I'll send you the quote and tracking information by email this afternoon.
Transcription. Box stock, 4,500 units. Reorder point, 1,000 units. Status, adequate.
Monday, Rainbow Hard Candy, minus 8,000 pounds. Tuesday, New Mango Chili Trial Run, minus 500 pounds. Wednesday, Rainbow Candy, minus 10,000 pounds.
And that's how we make our delicious Rainbow Hard Candy here at our modern USA factory. Subscribe for more factory process videos.